distance between style and function, the Emerson Aira Eco ceiling fan combines the concepts of sophisticated design, unbeatable performance, and smart energy consumption to provide the ultimate solution to your air comfort needs. Featuring a 72-inch blade span and Emerson's DC EcoMotor, the Aira Eco ceiling fan is one of the most energy-efficient fans on the market, creating some of the best airflows available for less than a penny an hour. This contemporary indoor-outdoor fan not only maximizes energy efficiency, it's also an object of beauty with its stunning streamline design, 8 weather-resistant walnut blades, and integrated opal matte light fixture. Available in sleek brushed steel or rich oil-rubbed bronze, the Aira Eco moves an impressive amount of air and looks chic doing it. A damp location rating makes this fan suitable for use in covered outdoor areas, and a 6-inch downrod is included for easy hanging. A 6-speed LED wall control with receiver allows you to enjoy customizable airflows in your home year-round. The Aira Eco is recommended for large rooms and may be installed on standard ceilings or be paired with a kit for installation on sloped ceilings. With an efficiency rating up to 3 times higher than other ceiling fans on the market, you can relax knowing that with the Aira Eco in your home, you'll be saving green in show-stopping style.